If you're questioning your sexual orientation and wondering if you might be attracted to people of the same gender, it's important to explore your feelings and experiences. Attraction is not a one-size-fits-all concept and can encompass different types such as romantic, sexual, platonic, sensual, and aesthetic attraction. It's normal to feel attracted to someone of the same gender, and your past crushes and relationships can provide insight into your sexual orientation. Reflecting on your fantasies and identifying with certain characters in movies or TV shows can also be telling. Taking a sexual orientation test, like our Am I Gay quiz, can also provide some clarity. It's important to remember that stereotypes about appearance or behavior do not determine your sexual orientation. Flirting and physical intimacy can be ways to further understand your attractions, but it's crucial to take things at your own pace and prioritize your comfort.